Chiliz value equivalent to 2.3372 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.3255 2.3726. The earlier day close, 2.3348. The change was plus 0.0024, plus 0.10%. Converse rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost 2.32 rands, high 2.48, low 2.16. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost 2.33 rands, high 2.49, low 2.17. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost 2.32 rands, high 2.48, low 2.16. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost 2.45 rands, high 2.62, low 2.28. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost 2.52 rands, high 2.70, low 2.34. In multi-week Chiliz gauge on Monday, May 8, cost 2.48 rands, high 2.65, low 2.31. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 2.51 rands, high 2.69, low 2.33. Chiliz figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost 2.35 rands, high 2.51, low 2.19. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 2.30 rands, high 2.46, low 2.14. Chiliz figure on Friday, May 12, cost 2.20 rands, high 2.35, low 2.05. In about 14 days Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 2.24 rands, high 2.40, low 2.08. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 2.15 rands, high 2.30, low 2.00. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 2.23 rands, high 2.39, low 2.07. Chiliz figure on Thursday, May 18, cost 2.21 rands, high 2.36, low 2.06. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 2.28 rands, high 2.44, low 2.12. In 3 weeks Chiliz figure on Monday, May 22, cost 2.34 rands, high 2.50, low 2.18. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 2.31 rands, high 2.47, low 2.15. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, May 24, cost 2.28 rands, high 2.44, low 2.12. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost 2.34 rands, high 2.50, low 2.18. Chiliz estimate on Friday, May 26, cost 2.32 rands, high 2.48, low 2.16. In about a month Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost 2.35 rands, high 2.51, low 2.19. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, May 30, cost 2.33 rands, high 2.49, low 2.17. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2023. To start with cost at 2.14 rands, exorbitant cost 2.65, while low cost 2.07. The found the middle value of cost 2.30. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.34, change for April 9.3%. Chiliz estimate for May 2023. At the outset cost at 2.34 rands, exorbitant cost 2.70, while low cost 2.00. The found the middle value of cost 2.34. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.31, change for May 1.3%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.31 rands, exorbitant cost 2.57, while low cost 1.91. The found the middle value of cost 2.21. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.05, change for June 11.3%. Chiliz estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.05 rands, exorbitant cost 2.27, while low cost 1.97. The found the middle value of cost 2.10. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.12, change for July 3.4%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.12 rands, exorbitant cost 2.63, while low cost 2.12. The found the middle value of cost 2.33. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.46, change for August 16.0%. Chiliz estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.46 rands, excessive cost 2.46, while low cost 1.93. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.23. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.07, change for September 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 2.07 rands, excessive cost 2.07, while low cost 1.62. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.88. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.74, change for October 15.9%. Chiliz figure for November 2023. Before all else cost at 1.74 rands, excessive cost 1.77, while low cost 1.53. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.67. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.65, change for November 5.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 1.65 rands, excessive cost 2.02, while low cost 1.65. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.80. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.89, change for December 14.5%. Chiliz figure for January 2024. Before all else cost at 1.89 rands, excessive cost 2.34, while low cost 1.89. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.08. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.19, change for January 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at 2.19 rands, excessive cost 2.72, while low cost 2.19. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.41. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.54, change for February 16.0%. Chiliz conjecture for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 2.54 rands, excessive cost 2.54, while low cost 1.98. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.30. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.13, change for spring 16.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at 2.13 rands, excessive cost 2.13, while low cost 1.66. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.93. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.79, change for April 16.0%. ZAR to CHC conversion scale equivalent to 0.4279 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4215 minus 0.4300. The earlier days nearby 0.4283. Change for now 0.0004, 0.09%. ZAR to CHC cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Rand to Chiliz gauge on Monday, May 1, cost 0.431 coins, high 0.463, low 0.403. ZAR to CHC forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.429 coins, high 0.461, low 0.402. Rand to Chiliz estimate